Hey, guess what we're doing today? Give up? We're making snowman poop. Yep, you heard me right. I've got parchment paper I lined my baking sheet with, and we're going to set that aside. Okay. The instructions say to put it in a bowl, but I think this right here will give me an easier surface to work with. So this is what we're going to do, guys. Make it easy. Okay. I have corn pops. Guys, don't you just love looking like an idiot on camera? Aha. There we go. Okay. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. Takes 8 cups. Oh yeah, that's going to be a nice surface to work with. Okay. And FYI guys, there's about this much left in the box, so you still have enough to have a few bowls of cereal. Next, we have white chocolate chips. Doesn't matter what brand, but we need 2 cups of them. I think that's close to what was left in here. Okay. And then we also need about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Aha, cameraman, hand me my coconut oil. Voila. Okay. That's about right, guys. It's just cooking, it's not rocket science. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to melt this in the microwave. I'm going to put it in there and put it on about 15 seconds, stir it, and then in 10-second increments after that until it's melted. It will take just a little bit, but if you do it, say 30 seconds at a time, you're going to ruin it. So it's better to go slow and get it right. As you can see, this is slow going, but you can tell just a little bit of difference in here. I've already put it on for 4 different time frames. So let's keep going, and hopefully 3 or 4 more, and this will be melted enough to put it on top of the corn pops. Okay, as you can see, this is melted. It probably took maybe 10 different times of melting in the microwave. So let's just sprinkle this on here. I need to work pretty fast and try to get everything stirred up and all that white chocolate mixed in before it starts to cool off. Have you folks ever made this before? I'm telling you, it smells absolutely fantastic. I mean, corn pops and white chocolate. What's not to like? And folks, as always, I will give you the full ingredient list in the description. But just keep on mixing. Until it's getting nice and covered. Okay, of course, as you can tell, it's still not all the way covered and we need a little bit more mixing. But while this is still nice and warm, I'm going to do the last step on here. Okay, I have sprinkles. They're just Christmas colored sprinkles. I dumped what I had. This is about a half cup. You can use between half a cup and a cup. Just depends on how many sprinkles you've got and how colorful that you want to make it. I'll put that on there. And then we're going to finish stirring this up. That is absolutely beautiful. And I guarantee you it tastes a lot better than what the name of it is. I wonder what would be a good name for it other than Snowman Poop. If you guys got any ideas, if you do, tell me in the comments. Because most people don't think the name Poop sounds too appetizing, myself included. But like I say, white chocolate, corn pops, and sprinkles, what's not to like? And as you can see, folks, this has not been cut. This is real time, so it doesn't take long at all for this recipe to come together. Okay. So now I'm going to put it out on the lined baking pan, and we're going to let it cool. And then after it's totally cooled, we will put it in a storage container or a Ziplock bag to keep it nice and fresh until all of it is gone. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video.